Welcome to Embodia. With Embodia, you can set up a virtual clinic, treat patients virtually, turn your expertise into an additional revenue stream, and so much more. Let's take a look at clinic academies on Embodia. Using a clinic academy, you can launch your own professionally branded platform to grow your bottom line. With Embodia, you can eliminate technical hurdles and easily build an unlimited number of online courses for your patients. Clinics and clinicians like Bloom Integrative Health, Liquid Gym, The Yoga MD, and Susan Clinton are using clinic academies to host and sell their online courses. Here's how it works. From your clinic academy, you can create new courses. You can also choose to build course tracks, which are a series of courses that are meant to be taken in the order you have laid them out. In each of your courses, you can set up the landing page with all of the relevant information about your course, which can include text, images, videos, links, and downloads. Add a thumbnail image, set a price, or make it free. Add SEO to make it easy for people to find you on Google and other search engines. Display instructors, including their bio, headshot, and credentials. Manage who has administrative access to the course. Admins of the course will see what we are looking at now. And finally, you can manage the settings of your course. Embodia is a complete learning management system. From your course page, you can navigate to the course materials section, where you can build your course using a wide range of tools. Each course is made up of categories so that your students can easily navigate through the course and enjoy their learning experience. Within each category, you can choose to add a variety of content. The majority of courses are made up of lessons. Each lesson can have text, images, video, downloads, links, and more. If you want some assistance putting together your slides, video, or audio, you can use a presentation lesson, which will edit your content for you. Embeddable PDFs allow you to upload PDFs and makes it easy for your students to follow any written content, such as handouts and articles. Quizzes are a great way to check in on your students' understanding of the content. You can also choose to add surveys, feedback forms, and exams to your course. If there's anything missing, or if you have a request for a feature, we are here to listen and help. To make this truly a one-stop shop for all your business needs, you can add a membership to your academy, integrate your MailChimp account, and also choose to connect your Zoom webinar account so that you can host live online events. A registration and payment system is included in every clinic academy. Embodia Clinic Academies is specifically designed for healthcare professionals to build, share, and sell their knowledge. Our team is here for you. We provide you with all the tools, training, and support that you need to confidently build, share, and sell your online courses.